Hello and welcome everyone. Today lecture is a final lecture on organizational behavior. Today we will discuss the assignment, and this session serves as a platform of for us to explore and analyze the key aspect of our assignment. So it's an opportunity to collectively reflect on the principle we have learned throughout the course and apply them to real scenario. So title of assignment is Management and Personality Portfolio Assignment 1 and obviously 2. So and assignment submission date is April 9 2003. So anyone is there? If anyone is there, can you guys see my screen and can you hear me? Anyone is there? Okay, so let's get started with the introduction. Sorry. In our recent lectures on organizational behavior, who's there? Hi, Ishika.
Hello,
Hi,
how are
Ishika.
you?
Yeah. I just started now. Okay, so
Okay.
I was waiting, so I thought you might be wouldn't come today. Mhm. So anyway, what I was saying that this is our assignment discussion today. Okay. And final lecture of organizational behavior series. And so here the title of assignment is Management and Personality Portfolio, and submission date is April 23, which you can 9th of April, which can you can extend upon request. And introduction. So we'll start with introduction. Obviously, as you know that in our recent lectures on organizational behavior, we discussed how people behave in the workplace. Organizational behavior help us understand, explain, and predict the actions of individuals, whether they are working alone or in groups or teams. So these actions can significantly impact a company's performance and its ability to achieve its goals. It's crucial for managers and leaders to gain insight into organizational behavior to address issues and find practical solutions. So the goal of our study was to learn how concept theories and techniques of organizational behavior can be applied in work and management setting. The knowledge helps improve individuals, team, and overall organizational performance. So by applying these principles, we can better understand why people behave the way they do and predict how employees might respond to different situations. Also, we explored the influence of culture, power dynamics and politics in organizations. If you remember, in that was in our last session, and understanding how these factors affect people's action in organizational context. Upon successfully completing this unit, students, you know that every one of you will have, gained valuable skills and knowledge. So this includes essential people management skills to achieve positive outcomes in organizations. These skills involve recognizing individual differences, promoting teamwork, and creating inclusive organizational cultures. So in simple term, we have learned how understanding and applying organizational behavior principles can help make workplace better and more effective. Any question, Ishika, or anyone is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, so on successful completion of this, students will help, you will have developed a range of transferable skills, knowledge. This includes core people management skills used to achieve positive organizational outcomes and to create value by recognizing individual difference, team working, and the creation of inclusive organizational culture. So the third portion of this unit was conducted online at obviously UK University. During the session, various texts related to this unit were available on the VLM or VLE virtual learning uh, virtual learning environment. And handouts and briefing sheets were not distributed, but obviously you received recorded lectures. So uh, also were posted, other relevant unit information were posted on Moodle, the virtual learning environment, for easy access to course material. Also, learners were, you requested to register an Pearson-HN global platform at higher nationals awards or hnnationals.com, where you can access supplementary study resources for this unit. Have you got any idea about highernationals.com?
No.
Okay, this is a basically, you haven't done before for any assignment or any subject.
No.
Okay. So what you can do that you can go to the highernationals.com, or which is a part of Pearson or BTEC. So you can find out related material uh, and notes. So also submission format. For your assignment, you need to create an individual portfolio of evidence. This include three main parts: uh, personality and attribute audit, complete audit related to your personality and attribute. Then motivational group activity. Uh, if I more explain about audit, then write a reflective statement about what you learned from these audits. Then motivational group activity. You need uh, in a simulated group activity that is designed to motivate. So document the detail of this activity. Then reflective presentation that include the participation and outcome of area first and two. So prepare a reflective presentation that covers the insight from the personality audit and the group activity. So discuss your participation and outcomes of the motivational activity. Uh, you need to make sure your portfolio is well organized with heading, paragraphs, subsections where needed. Support your work with research and use the Harvard reference system or other system if specified, but obviously here we use only Harvard reference system. Other one is Oscola, which normally used for law qualification, legal qualifications. They also include a biography at the end. So word count of your assignment should be between 2,500 to 3,000, but you will not be penalized for going under or exceeding the total word limits. So basically, it's okay if you slightly go under or exceed this limit. So you won't be penalized for that. So be careful with the referencing to avoid plagiarism issue. Essentially, this assignment is about self-reflections, participating in a group activity, and presenting your insight in an organized manner with the given word range. A Harvard reference system. I hope you will know about Harvard reference system, Harvard system of referencing, or in this, Harvard reference system as a level four student, it is expected that you use appropriate academic sources for your studies. While websites like Wikipedia and Google can provide quick information that are not considered credible academic sources. So it is crucial to draw information from reliable academic literature, as this is the essence of higher education. Also, try to avoid uh, citation information from websites without authors, and be careful about using A-level textbook, as they may not provide the depth required for higher education. As you know, Ishika or anyone else, if someone is there, this is a basically level four. uh, Normally it's a bachelor degree, first year. So don't use anything from GCSE or A level books. uh, Also, downloading articles from the website, such as home office statistics or information from government bodies and academic uh, papers from Google Scholar, is acceptable. So when referencing website, make sure to include the author and date in your citation, with the full reference provided at the end of your document. Sorry. Developing this habit now will benefit you not only in your current studies but also in the future, ensuring the quality and credibility of your academic works. So, any question about how referencing or anything else, Ishika, or anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh, I think so. You know about referencing system. You have done few assignments before. Hmm?
Yeah, but I don't know about plagiarism.
Plagiarism is, I mean, that it's a basically copy and paste, or where you write someone's article or paragraph, or you take things from other websites, but you don't mention, or you don't give citations or author name or dates or anything. So this is called plagiarization. Okay.
Okay.
So make sure whenever you give reference, obviously make sure that right author name, or website name, or article name. So that is like a direct quote, which is acceptable, but only when you mention author name. So which shows that okay, this is someone's work. Okay, and you put there as a direct quote. But if you don't write author name, or just copy and paste or something, this is called plagiarism. Okay. So so basically, that when you are given assignment, uh, plagiarism happens when you present someone else thoughts, ideas, or words, if they were your, if they were not yours. It is like pretending you came up with something when you really did not. So collusion is another issue, where your assignment is look very similar, or even identical to another student's work. So this is also considered a form of plagiarism. You got it, Ishika?
Yeah.
So basically, taking these, if awarding bodies, especially taking these matters seriously, is really important. That's why students are strongly advised to check out the academic misconduct policy available on Moodle on the virtual learning environment. So this policy outlines the rules and consequences related to plagiarism. So it is essential to be aware of the following these guidelines to maintain academic integrity. I'll speak to you after lecture a bit about plagiarism. So, but anyway, basically it's a copy. That copy and paste or without someone works without any citation.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So there are three learning outcomes. Hmm. Reflect on own personality and perceptions to understand how individuals difference informs and influences management approaches. Apply content and process theories of motivation to create and maintain an effective workforce. And then third one is participate in a group team activity for a given business situation to demonstrate effective team skills. So this unit aims, for you to understand how your personality affect your management style, apply motivation theories to keep a team motivated, and showcase your team skills through a group activity in a business context, that context. Here is a scenario here. Have you ever heard about Zara?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, it says that you currently hold the position of a graduate trainee, store manager at Zara, international retailer with store in various countries such as England, Germany, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, or some other European countries. So Zara is known for offering the latest fashion, beauty, and homeware and competitive prices, mainly featuring their own brand products. The organization values hard work, provides good pay, and maintain a fast-paced uh, you know work environment for its managers, offering training and sports. So as a graduate trainee store manager, your primary responsibilities include leading motivation and developing the store team to ensure consistent standards in customer services, product knowledge, and overall store performance. You are also tasked with the maximizing sales presentation, potential, sorry, sale potential and profitability, aligning with the visual merchandising guidelines and driving performance across all, departments with creative flair. Part of your training involves master class management sessions facilitated by executive team. Each class focuses on different aspect of leadership and management, incorporating various activities to you know and presentations. So here's an overview of the activities. Master class 1, personality and perception. Any idea about if you have done anything like this before? No?
No.
Okay. So basically, complete a personality and attribute evaluation to assess your skills and traits. Discuss whether these attributes are positive or negative in the context of management. reflect on your personality and self-perceptions concerning your performance. Then motivation, which is, master class 2, address issues of low, morale or lack of focus and productivity among shop floor employees. Collaborate with the colleagues to create and deliver a motivational activity, applying content and process, theories of motivations. Uh, Basically, critically assess the success of the motivational activity based on discussions with your, colleagues or peers. Then reflection, which is master class 3, present the outcomes of personality evaluations and group activities. Use appropriate literature and business examples to support improvement and recommendations. Explore team and group behaviors relevance to an effective team. Reflect on audit results, group activity participations, and the importance of personality in workforce and managerial relationships. Challenge and reflect on personal, perspective, attributes, considering the education, adaptation of self and business managers in creating an effective and motivated team. So your role involves activity participating in these master classes, reflecting on your experiences and applying theories to enhance your managerial and leadership skills in the retail environments. So here pass, merit and distinctions, basically different criterias. To successfully address the learning outcome 1 and achieve the specified criteria, you need to focus on assessing and reflecting on your own personality and perceptions in the context of managers. So how you can approach each of the pass, merit and distinctions criteria. Have you ever achieved distinctions, Ishika?
Yeah, 5 times.
Oh, really? That's nice then. So how many assignments you have done altogether?
9.
9, okay. And rest of fours, merit or pass?
Yeah, I think so. 2 merits and 1 pass.
Okay, 2
Or
merits.
2.
Okay. So assess, so obviously you know very well about then difference between pass, merit and distinctions. Huh?
Yeah.
Anything comes in your mind? You can say.
Hmm,
Hmm?
not yet.
Okay, I'll speak to you about. Assess how personally, traits and attributes identify and list of your personality traits and attributes. Then evaluate each trait in, terms of its potential positive or negative impact on management approaches and company performance. Then reflect on the value and importance of personality and perspective. Reflect on how your personality and perspective contribute to effective managerial relationships. Discuss the significance of understanding and acknowledging these aspects in a management role. Then when we talk about merit, challenge own perspectives and traits, identify areas where your current perspectives and traits might be limiting or hindering effective managerial relationships. Challenge these aspects and consider how adjusting overwhelming them could positively influence and improve your interactions with others. When we talk about distinction, distinction, adopt personal perspectives, traits, and attributes, go beyond challenging perspective and actively adopt them to justify improvements, demonstrate how these adoptions positively influence and enhance employee motivation, uh, ultimately contributing to the creation of an effective workforce. So, in short, for a past, assess your personality traits and reflecting on their impact. When for merit, challenge your existing perspectives to achieve distinctions, not only challenge, but actively adopt your perspectives, traits, and attributes to bring about improvements that positively impact employee motivation and create an effective workforce. So, learning outcome two, again, successfully address learning outcome two and achieve the specified criteria. You need to focus on applying content and process theories of motivation to create and maintain an effective workforce. So, for pass, apply content and process theories of motivation, uh, identify and explain content theories of motivation. For example, Maslow, Herzberg's two-factor theories. Then identify and explain process theories of motivation, expectancy theory, Adams equality theory. So apply these theories into context of enhancing and maintaining effective organizational workforce. So for a merit, uh, critically assess the extent of employees' motivation enhancement. Sorry. So critically analyze and evaluate the practical application of content and process theories of motivation. Assess the effectiveness of these theories in enhancing and maintaining employee motivation. Provide nuanced understanding of the limitation and understanding of the limitation and potential challenges associated with applying these theories. So again, for past supply content and process theories of motivation and provide specific examples. For merit, go beyond application and critically assess the extent to which these theories can enhance and maintain employee motivation, considering both their strengths and limitations. Any question so far?
No, sir.
Then learning outcome three, for pass, that again, uh, for that for pass, actively contribute to the team activity and explore the relevance of group behavior and team theory. For a merit, reflect on your personal contribution to group behavior. And finally, to achieve a distinction, not only reflect but actively revise your contribution and skills, providing justified recommendations for improvement in team scenarios. Journal assessment advice consult, grading criteria, refer to grading criteria to understand the expectations of your assessment, address learning outcome properly, ensure your work align with the learning outcomes stated above for each task, presentation standard, like utilizing English, utilize standard English, utilizing word processing, double spacing, maintaining clarity and coherence in organization. So relevance and literature references demonstrate the relevance of your work for by incorporating, uh, you know, uh, 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 So incorporating a breadth of references and appropriate literatures. Then again, I will talk about a Harvard reference system of use the guidelines on referencing in academic writing booklet provided by the School of Referencing. You can go online and check, or you can check your learning management system. Word counts, submit assignment within a word length 10% plus or minus, like normally its limit is 2,500, or you can go up to even 3,000. Don't worry about 22, or that you can cover up to 3,000 or even if more. Maintain confidentiality and in your submitted work, remove names and identifiers of individuals or organizations to ensure privacy. So if including documents from your work, uh, delete names from the content. That's it for today. Yeah, it was a short session for today's only for your assignment. Any questions, any concerns, any issues?
Nothing.
No, there is anything.
No, nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry,
Uh,
I was late today, so I didn't get it from the beginning.
it's okay, and yeah, no worries. You will, get by email my session today. Basically, it was today's assignment, session.
Yeah.
So I just explained how you can, write your assignment. So you will receive the, recording. So that's okay. So,
Okay.
but basically, here are three learning outcomes: your scenario, and use Harvard reference system. Have you ever used Harvard reference system?
The system itself, no.
Okay. So Harvard reference system is basically, here. Full reference appear at the end of documents and bibliography and you know uh, textbook. Here, if you go through this as well, expected appropriate academic source.
Oh, okay. So this means like explaining at the end the reference where you took maybe
Yeah,
the
within the paragraphs and end of
Oh,
the
okay.
within the paragraph as well, citations as well, and end of the assignment, bibliography and everything.
I've heard of it. Yes, yes. I thought
So
you meant
within the
something else.
paragraph, use writer names and also dates, okay?
The
And
source,
then,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, plagiarism, student must submit and complete work that in their own. Plagiarism is presenting the thoughts, ideas, and words of another person, okay? So if
So until when do we have to send it? Next week?
the date is 9th of April, but you don't worry about date. You can
Oh,
get
okay.
some extension as well, okay? Or upon request. So that's not
Right. And if I send like I do the homework and maybe there are some issues, or I can improve it. Is that possible to improve it? Like,
yeah, you can
do I get
send as
feedback?
so you can send as a draft assignment first, okay?
Okay, yeah.
So they will tell you, oh, you need to improve these sections and these, things. So then, before final, I will recommend that before final submission, you can submit as a draft assignment. So they wouldn't send for a final marking, okay?
Okay.
Instead, they will ask you for some, further improvement.
Right. Okay.
Okay, Andrea.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone, and have a nice weekend. And
You too.
hope you
Thank you.
enjoy my sessions. Uh, not boring. So see you at some point. So have a nice weekend. And any questions, any concerns, any issues? Anyone else? Once again?
No, sir.
Okay, so if any issues, drop me an email at yasser@ukversity.co.uk, or you can, message me anytime. Thank you very much for today, and bye for now, and I'll
Thank
see
you.
you again.